Welcome to Kids English Fun Time! Let's learn farm English.
Good morning, Kiki. It is such a beautiful day to work in our sunny garden. Are you ready to help me today? We are going to build a very big scarecrow today. He will help us protect all our yummy green vegetables from the birds. Let's find a very tall wooden pole here in the shed. This pole will be the strong backbone for our new friend. Help me find the perfect spot in the middle of the garden. I will push this pole deep into the dark soil. I can pull this big bag of golden straw. It is very light and soft. This will make our scarecrow very fluffy. Look at this old red plaid shirt. It is perfect for our scarecrow to wear. Do you like the bright red color? These long sleeves are for the arms. Can you touch your own arms and then touch the shirt arms for me, Kiki? Now we slide the shirt onto the wooden pole. It looks like he is wearing it already. Hold the bottom for me.
I am going to grab a big handful of this yellow straw. It feels very tickly on my hands and my fingers.
Let's start with the left arm. Push the straw all the way to the end of the sleeve to make it full. Now we must fill the right arm. Grab some more straw and push it all the way to the end of the sleeve. Look here, Kiki. This is the chest area. We need to make it big and strong so the shirt looks very full.
I am putting a lot of straw in the middle. The chest is getting very big and fluffy now, just like a real person.
I will close the buttons now. 1, 2, and 3. Now all the golden straw is safe inside the red plaid shirt. The top part is finished. The arms and chest look great. Our friend is starting to look like a real giant scarecrow.
Look what I found, Bobo. These are old blue jeans. Can we use these for the bottom part of our new garden friend?
Yes. These jeans have 2 long legs. We will fill them with straw to give the scarecrow some very strong and sturdy legs. I am sliding the wooden pole through the leg of the jeans. Hold the other side for me so it does not fall.
I am filling the left leg first. This leg needs more straw to make it look round and heavy for our tall friend. Now I will fill the right leg. Soon both legs will be full of straw and the scarecrow will be almost finished.
I am tying the rope around the waist to keep the blue jeans on the wooden pole very tight and secure now. Look at the big stomach of our scarecrow friend. It is very full of golden straw and it looks very round today. Now I have a small round burlap sack that we will use to make a very nice head for our big friend.
I am holding the sack open very wide so you can put the straw inside the head easily, Dad. Let us do it.
We are stuffing the head with lots of soft hay to make it very round and soft like a big ball for him. I will tie the round head to the top of the wooden pole so it stays in place and does not fall.
I am drawing 2 big black round eyes on the face so the scarecrow can see all the vegetables in our garden. I will use the orange marker to draw a bright triangle nose right in the middle of his big round face now. Look at this very wide and friendly smile I am drawing, and our scarecrow is a very happy friend for us to have.
I found a big box of funny old hats for our scarecrow. And which one do you think will look the best today?
Look at this small blue cap. It is very cute, but I think it is too tiny for our big scarecrow friend, right? Wow, look at this very big straw hat. It fits his head perfectly and will keep the bright sun out of his eyes.
You are right, Kiki. The straw hat looks wonderful on him. Now he looks like a real gardener ready to help us today. I found a long yellow scarf in the old box. Let us put it around his neck to make him look very fancy.
I will wrap the yellow scarf around his neck and tie a neat knot. Now he looks very warm and very handsome indeed.
He is finally finished. Our Scarecrow looks amazing standing here in the garden. We did a very good job together, my son. Mr. Straw will protect our corn and vegetables. He will tell the birds to go away so our food can grow big.
The sun is going down and the sky is very orange. It is time to go inside and have a nice dinner now.
We did a very great job today, and now it is time for us to go home and eat a delicious, warm dinner.